Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 23rd April 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade and hourly income trade. That is nothing but short-term income trades. So even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are kept in a playlist supply demand zone price action course at our NeoStock YouTube channel. I also provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. If you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are placed in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I also provided the link to our Telegram group in this YouTube video description. You please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation. The first report we are going to generate bullish trade setup for daily income trade. In daily income trade, the entry time frame is 15 minutes. So I am selecting the entry time frame 15 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. That means we need to generate bullish trade setup reports. And we are also going to set 3 filters. First filter is we don't want pierced zones, especially on daily and demand zone, because entry zone is demand zone. So for pierced count, in 15 minutes time frame, I set the value minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. And second filter, the zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. So with these filters, I am going to generate the report. So these 14 stocks are filtered. These 14 stocks are bullish trade setup for daily income trade. That is entry time frame is 15 minutes. I'll be giving you only few seconds time and then move on to the next report. You please pause the video. You can study all these stocks, all these columns, all these parameters, and even by using this leg in, base, leg out, you can also draw the zones on your charts. If you are not aware of how to understand this report, please refer the training lesson 21.1. In that lesson, I clearly explained all the columns, all the parameters, even their abbreviations, everything in detail. I also even shown you a chart, a trading view chart, by drawing a zone by using this leg in timestamp, base candles and leg out timestamp. So please watch lesson 21.1. So I am going back to the next report. Going back and generating the next report. The next report is a bearish trade setup for daily income trade. Daily income trade entry time frame is 15 minutes. For bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And we already set the filters. Now let me generate the report. So these 4 stocks are filtered. Currently they are supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade. That is entry time frame is 15 minutes. Okay, now let us generate a bullish and bearish trade setup for hourly income trade, that is for day trading. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone is a demand zone. And also in the parameter bullish or bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting bullish. And the 3 filters I am going to set: The first one, P-host count. This time we are setting in 5 minutes time frame. Minimum value I am setting 0, maximum value I am setting 0. That indicates P-host count is 0. P-host count 0 means zone is not P-host. And our zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone, and minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let me generate the report. So these 10 stocks are filtered which are supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. So this data is used for intraday trades. For long orders, you will be using this report. Okay, now let us generate a bearish trade setup for hourly income trade, that is for short orders. So I am going back. So for hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. For bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in this parameter bullish bearish trade setup, 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting bearish. Remaining filters are same as what we set earlier. That is P-host count 0, zone achievement is VOZ, and minimum odd enhancer score is 12. So now let me filter the stocks. Now these 6 stocks are filtered which are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. That means this report is useful for short orders. And the last report is let us generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. So I am generating the report based on daily ATR. See here we have a daily ATR here, and 5% ATR should be used for daily income trade, 3% ATR should be used for hourly income trade. And also remember, first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices, and remaining all are equity stocks, but they are taken from F&O segment. So I keep on scrolling this list down by giving you a few seconds time. If you want to refer any of your stock, please pause the video and after that you can proceed further. Okay, I am scrolling down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.